Stuck?
I found this butterfly struggling. One of his wings didn't develop properly,
Nope, not gonna fly.
and I knew I was going to need to do something. I made nectar by watering down some honey.
Come on.
Day by day, more and more of his wing was breaking off, so I knew I had to improvise fast. I went to a craft store and managed to find one pack of feathers that were about the right size. The feather to match as closely to his good wing as I could. It was perfect.
Look at you!
Maybe he'd have some mobility enough to fly,
Come on, try to fly.
but he'd still have to remain in captivity. At first, he could only go a few feet at most, and then fall.
Oh,
I work in an office where I was able to take him with me. He became Nemo Bucky, the bionic butterfly. I saw him getting further and further each time.
we made some progress.
Day by day, improving more and more.
Flew all the way over here on your own. You're definitely getting stronger.
He needed to feel like other butterflies and be outside. He still couldn't gain altitude, but he was flying. But one day, I took him outside for some garden time, and he sat there for a few minutes. I like to think it was like he was saying thank you. But then he flew up, and he was gone. He was ready to go. I wasn't ready to see him leave. Started worrying about him. Maybe he didn't make it. But one day, I saw a flash of the gray feather. He was thriving and living his best butterfly life. It might be short and fleeting, but in the grand scheme of things, all of our lives are just a short blip here on Earth. What matters are the connections we make and who we help along the way. He never gave up.